Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Chrome tab groups for better focus during deep work. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Chrome tab groups, first, open your Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, type Chrome//flags and press enter. This will open the Chrome Experiments page. In the search bar at the top, type tab groups. Look for the option that reads tab groups or tab groups collapse. You will see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on that menu and select Enabled. Next, locate the Restart button that appears at the bottom of the screen. Click it to restart your Chrome browser. Once Chrome restarts, you can start creating tab groups. To create a tab group, right-click on a tab you want to add to a group. Select Add Tab to New Group from the context menu. You'll see a colored circle appear next to the tab. You can name your group and choose a color for it. To add more tabs to this group, simply right-click on another tab. Select Add Tab to Group and choose the group you just created. To collapse the group, click on the colored circle next to the first tab. This will hide the tabs in that group, allowing for a cleaner workspace. To open the group again, just click the colored circle once more. You can manage your groups by right-clicking on the group name for options like Name Group, Remove Group, and Ungroup. By using tab groups, you can remember to explore and customize your tab groups to fit your workflow. Enjoy a more organized browsing experience with this efficient feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.